In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact the customer support of Vinted. Whether you have an issue with a purchase, need help with a return item, or want to report a problem, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and on the top right corner, you should be able to see a question mark icon beside Sell Now. I want you to click on it because this will forward you to the help center. Now, as you may notice, there are categories that you might want to check that might be related to your concern. Is it going to be about selling, buying, shipping, payments and withdrawals, safety and reporting, my account and setting, community, registration and login? You might want to check all these. Or if you want to type a question, you can do that as well and press enter to see what we got. Now, as you may notice, it's trying to analyze your question, and if it doesn't really help you at all you have to do is scroll down until you find the option that says Contact Us option. Okay, let's say we're gonna click a specific issues here. Okay, click this, and at the bottom there should be an option to click the Contact Us. Here, all I have to do is super simple. You need to provide some information and describe your issue, and you can upload some screenshot of the error or problem. So it's a lot easier for the customer support to troubleshoot your issue. Okay, and once you've done that, all I have to do is super simple. Click the Send Issue for Review, and then one of the customer support will contact you to provide a solution. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video on how to contact customer support on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.